Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve remote collaboration with Google Meet beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve remote collaboration with Google Meet, begin by setting clear objectives for your meetings. Define the purpose of the meeting before sending out invitations. Gather necessary documents and materials in advance. Create a Google Calendar event to schedule the meeting. Include a Google Meet link in the calendar invite for easy access. Share the agenda ahead of time to keep participants informed. Encourage participants to join a few minutes early to troubleshoot any technical issues. Ensure everyone has a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Use a good quality microphone and webcam for clear audio and video. Familiarize yourself with Google Meet features, such as screen sharing and chat. Designate a facilitator to guide the meeting and keep it on track. Utilize screen sharing to present slides or documents effectively. Encourage participants to use the chat feature to share thoughts without interrupting. Take advantage of the raise hand feature to manage discussion flow. Record meetings for those unable to attend. Follow up with a summary email including key points and action items. Encourage feedback on the meeting to improve future collaboration. Regularly assess and optimize your meeting practices for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.